I'm going to work on the GTI today. This thing, in one of my previous videos, I installed a 3-inch downpipe. It was a catless downpipe from Amazon. I got for like 115 bucks or something. And I thought I would do an update video on that. And okay, so some of the issues that I ran into with this thing is it was a catless downpipe, so it made the downstream O2 sensor throw a code for a low catalyst emission system efficiency, and basically that just means it thought the catalytic converter wasn't being efficient in its job, and that's because there was no cat there. So yeah, anyway, I put in a spacer to try and solve that problem, and this is one of the pieces of the spacer here, and this just goes into, it screws right into the O2 sensor bung there. Beauty. Yeah, just like that. And then there's also an angle piece that you can angle it, and that's how I had it set up. And it was throwing a code whenever it was set up like that for a bank 1 lean condition, because the O2 sensor was too far out of the exhaust stream, and it basically was just getting false reading, so it was throwing a code for that whenever that spacer was in there. So yeah, now I've got a 3-inch high flow catalytic converter welded in there. So I'm going to be putting this on today and doing a little bit of comparison video between a cold start with the stock downpipe and muffler, and then with the 3-inch downpipe and a high flow cat. So yep. Oh, I also have a video of this the GTI with the 3-inch downpipe and no high flow cat in it. So I'll post up a video with the stock cold start and a little bit of revving with the stock downpipe and muffler. Then I also have that video with the 3-inch downpipe with no cat and the stock muffler, and then now I'll have a video of it with the 3-inch downpipe with a high flow cat and the stock muffler. So I'll merge all those videos together at the end of this video, and I hope you guys stay to check that out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to work and get this thing in here, guys. So I now have the old stock downpipe off of here, and the new downpipe with the high flow cat is ready to go. I put that little mount bushing thing on there, and then also the downstream O2 sensor, so it's good to go. I'm just gonna slide it under there, get it all bolted up, good to go, and put the intake back on there and go ahead and start it up, get you guys a little comparison video. Okay, so the downpipe is now installed, got the intake put back on there, all the bolts are tightened back up, all the brackets, O2 sensors plugged back in. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up, do a little cold start, let it warm up.